I brought Nico up here with me to put the Noosa Vegetable Holder to the ultimate test. She's gonna try slicing a potato with the vegetable holder, and I'm gonna be using just a knife. And we're gonna time ourselves, do a little competition, and see who is the winner. Nico, are you up for this competition? Yes. Stab the potato. So far, so good. These are like the most even slices I think I've ever made. Okay, we did it. The rest look pretty perfectly uniform. More uniform than if I think I would have done it on my own, just cutting it with a knife. So I think that worked pretty good. Who actually enjoys cutting and slicing? Oh my gosh, we're getting closer to my fingers. This is when the fear comes in. Wow, okay, good. I just have really uneven pieces. I have this that's super thin and this big chunk. Also, by this competition, I noticed that the Noosa Vegetable Holder really gave me guidance and stability when cutting any sort of vegetable, and you were even able to like kind of put your knife against the prongs and just know that those were there, the knife wasn't going anywhere.